Hello, and welcome to Donut Investment. This analysis is for Wheaton Precious Metals on the Toronto Stock Exchange as of 23rd of July 2026 with a share price of 154 Canadian dollars. The full report is on downtrends.ca. A hold at 154 Canadian dollars and 97 cents while its metals fall. But this is an elite streamer at a cheap approximately 0.7 times book, so medium and long term the call is buy. Accumulate on weakness. We've trimmed the long call from strong buy to buy because both gold and silver are in downtrends. Start with the quality, which is genuinely high at 85. Wheaton doesn't dig. It funds miners up front and takes a fixed price stream of their gold and silver, so its margin stays near 75% whatever costs do, and it carries almost no debt. On the numbers, it trades around 0.7 times net asset value and roughly 20 times forward earnings. Cheap for a franchise this durable. If you want precious metals exposure without a single mine's operating risk, this is the vehicle. The business case is not the problem here. Here is the catch. A streamer only rises if its metals do, and right now they aren't. Gold is down about 17% from its April high, roughly 27% below the January record. A real downtrend, not a dip. Silver is worse, down about 50% from its January peak. Both sit below falling 50-day averages. Our mandatory metal trend check says a live commodity downtrend removes the amplification we'd otherwise give a strong macro case. You do not back the truck up on a streamer while the underlying metal is sliding. So the call's split by horizon. Long term, this is still a buy. The structural precious metals case and a best-in-class operator at a cheap multiple, but trimmed from strong buy because the metals are falling. Medium term, also buy. Accumulate on weakness, with the metals direction the swing factor. Short term, it is a hold. The stock is in a downtrend below its 200-day average with no reversal yet. Patient buyers can build a position. There is no need to rush. The risk is straightforward and live. The metals could keep falling. Silver has already halved from its peak, and if gold's downtrend deepens, Wheaton's net asset value falls with it. The same leverage that makes it attractive on the way up. In the bear case, the shares derate toward 132 Canadian dollars, about 15% below here. This is exactly why the short-term signal is a hold, not a buy. The trend is against you today, however good the business. Now weigh the risk against the reward. The bull case is roughly 66% above today, the base case, the most likely, about 29%, and the bear case a fall of about 15%, so you are risking about 15 to make 66. So, our call on Wheaton Precious Metals, on the Toronto Stock Exchange, hold. Remember, this is for education, not financial advice. Always do your own research. This analysis is by Donut Investment at downtrends.ca. The link to the full report is in the notes below. Have a great day.